Twasemeria kwa no mwanjo mulielia na kwa bere ko gutwara obulielia borobia kegima ne biro binde na ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana mayeli ndengo manyena regendeta kole gokorekana korwa chinsemo mwancho mulielia nyor na bogoto bugati agwitra sensemeri mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na boigo YouTube gwitra Ensoko TV Diane Nkerubo Frida na balitoko bwatira nako eneke mna chibicha niliogi lya gukira sole asenchira ya bene na Brian Achaka Toldi na boigo Felistas Kabendi. Kachaka maya yebirebiga ni gongo kumanya buna chigali chaba MCA batatu bebunge he county ya Kisii abare Boyce Mairira we wadi ya Masimba Thomas Obare we wadi ya Basibitangare amona Nicodemus Omwamba we wadi ya Bochiburabu abo bakorokana kwamerelia obukurumi bogokorekana ase e county ya Kisii nabo igo obokoreri we serikali yo mugavana Simba Arati nigo chiatwa amagoro emambya yelitkolya lero asamaga cho yebunge ye county yo nabantu batamanyiri ekeraba MCA bagendete ndege ikaro imiyebunge yo kwenekia egakoro ikyo no mosipidi wegetaseni ya Kisii Central Musa Imamai asaba chakire obotuki elyokumanya abo bairera egakoro ikyo ogeikerania abo ase chigali cho cyabachigwatwa amagoro korengana na Imamai nigo abayenekeiri aba MCA buna obulendi mbo chigotingirwa nabo baikirania yo koimukirigwa egetambukero egetindi korengana nelichiko asensemo yaba MCA abo nigo baganiri obotuki kwangoigwa na kobekwa biara bali baikirania gekorekyo nabo igo obulendi bwabo koenekirwa Mulikito Pethuel Machini na mange
Monogeri bwebunge county ya Kisii Philip Nyanumba nigo yabetereria abutorege karo kyagendeta sebunge yimambia yeritsikuria rero maiga yo kumanywa na nigo chigari chigati abo MCA chatirwa magoro asensemo yebunge yo emambia rero.
We were informed when we were on session, we came out as honorary members, we confirmed and we have called the security agency and they are here. They are going to start investigating immediately because anywhere in the world, the assembly is the most protected area. We don't expect this kind of an event in the assembly.
Kuringana na aba MCA abo chigari chiabo chiatwa magoro hamo no MCA bwodi ya Masimba Boyce Mairira MCA bwodi ya Basibitangare Thomas Obare na bwigo MCA bwodi ya Bochiburabu Nicodemus Omwamba asibono bagikeirie egekoreke na goteba nigo bakubuniwa asogusaba magendera siwodi chebo ayo atrekeraniwa ase egekekiga.
We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session and my peer told me that we have people who have come around 20 people who are in masks and they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court and some of us we are not scared.
In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys.
Nalenga assembly ngode bunegari yane yabochoirwa maguru. The motive I don't know. But because I'm here and the security agency they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Bochiburabu. And I've been championing for my people to get the development which is not there.
Komanda wa wanyanyimbo wegetsenigya Kisii Central Musa Imamai nigo aikase chinsemecho na bwigo kwenekia gekorekyo asibono nyako bagakubika teneni nigo abarazi kokorobutu kiboima ire kubeka biara abaikirene gekorekyo.
County Assembly is a designated place that we would not want to see something like that happening. It's an incident that has happened And in our response, we are going to, I would have assured the County Assembly members that as we secure the County Assembly, we are also investigating a matter that has occurred here with the seriousness that it deserves, because it is not something that we would expect it to happen in a designated place like this. And beyond that, we are also scaling up this security just to ensure that something like that does not happen in future. But in the meantime, we'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that has occurred here a few minutes ago.
Asibono aba MC abuchigari cyabo cyatwa amagoro baburire obutukyo bokorwa na kugayanwa sobwango elio banyako bakubekera oborende bwisaine.
But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives, because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement. We want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
To the people who did this, I know and have been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game, and I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurasi bunge ya kaunti ya Kisii, Chempethuel Machin.
Maiga y'abantu batamanyire gusagana na gusalia kigali cy'aba MCA bebunge ya Kisii oyo Masimba Bose Mairura yo Boitangare Thomas Obare na boigo Nicodemus Omwamba obochiborabo ensemo y'abamenyi be wodi ya Masimba nige mogoroba ya lero besokya na korobikana aseboigo bagikiria egekorikyo abamenya aba nigo barokana kugikiria ngane yigasa bange baengera na goteba buna ogosagana uko nigo kore ogwage siasa na nigo gokogenderirwa nensemo y'oburaiwe county ya Kisii ase kisababu cyokorokana kwamereria eserikali ye county ye kubatikana negekorikyo abamenya aba bono babwatekerianda nigo banora amagu yabo bisa be county ya Kisii abo bagosangiririe bango imemuchie omasimba asabo igo bayaneke buna ogochogwa kwa barundi abechipigipigi nabo igo kigali mbaranyora amagendera korwa ase echogeyo nabo igo sababu teyo barabe bagochogerwa
Egesangangere kiawa Kisii County, which is not good. Togo kiri. Ngabe MCA batato bali bara against bakubori egento kire kiabo tali bara against. Kigali kiabo rero kero barenge bunge. Igo bakumye kero bagotenga kigali cyate kirama borabo bagali kigali satu. Bali kubori ngaki bwana gavana. Bobo gunyo bombwara kwa era Kisii County na indurende mese buna kwa turomi. Aba mura baito to batomete mata abu babori ekikeroro. Tikako baita nindu to batomete. Nego to barusio irane girano to yabantu ri bansinyire banchenjeri. Bali ngorengera litore ndako ali chigu 2027. Yendo kyo mwali. Chipara chiabere Masimba. Soko chirigereri chiwe kwa amoro amatarata. Chi contractor chikwagacha none MCA tachimanyita. Abantu baito balige tu Kisii County abanyagitari nurses onde tayo it's only one mondo ya mukuru Masimba ward kaki indwa Masimba nduro chiken out of 5000 balige tu ngomonya mondo Masimba noyo mobwe toko gena no bwali mwaisidi mondo tayo gor Masimba ward kaki umanya ko tenga indu Masimba to isaranse to ligereri tinga to ganya bakalire kago so that the second yawe etam yawe akabero mago to magendra nari kubori kyo mwali gaba tukuanjete lakini asiye ikere bono bwanja niboli wasirire ekarabu asirire egendo kyo mwali teke na okora boda ya ne Masimba ward lero nindere gavana ekole gi okora lakini nabakani risasi yaro tokole tiki Echira bangina amatunda rugorari tinyanya bachoga barubo chavuguru abangina mbana kureses abangina twabakani mbaru kureses mpaka gavana kwachira iga oto
asengo jakera chigodi chinde chiaya tuchibesa chindonge chiokorosi para ana litole zero togo chenya kitali mata mario taiyo abarwaire chindagera chiabulire bakomu kubwa arengere tinga bakendagera guchikurigeria abarwaire ekioma etege tosinyete
pale korumo korogoinu akamora mugaga kunwa korwe chuma goikaga 100 meters bagatika ko chiaria esikeyoka bakobeka mataratari nande gakomontaniri omora muoko bekwa nolio mochabu twamakanyora chisaini posi chinene chiri kirenga ona bosimba babekire omora ekina kigato sumbwe nebinto binde bikolire enusu toiguchibesa chiaruru chinyagitari chieito ekire in a pathetic situation omo MC oito okorunga boss mairura gato tebetia Messi masim wana chipara maiga wende buna nyagitari ekire very horrible wana timba etie tochi komoboria ateba nga contractors wansi ebakorwe account otondo gosemo tondo ebako ebinto byansi bigokora na kitoko bolina toba address
amateyemo kore kinyoro kia bondonye wadi ya sameta makwerere bunge ya bobasi niwe yasabire obwene bumwana obasirieta Faith Mora Osoro yokageire goitwano mwancho ya Selieta Steven Nyamareri na gotinde kwa nyaro yoburire bwabo asenka yabe gotoka imeye kinyoro kia egetuki imeyabo machoge chache asikageire buna niga muitete ange emitienye etano nene bono maega yobotki gokorekana niga abanyanyimbo banyorete umubero oyo maega yomukagerwa oyo kumurikira omwese komwabo liuko wetera asinchira yekerero ya Facebook na komatebuna nigo amutindigete mwese komwabo abakageru begakore ikyo gati yabo mamu mwabo omukageru omonene nigo babekire byara asebono omukageru omonene anywete esumu korenda agakaba kagwikigwa asinya gitari ya Ogembo asebono agendete kurwanirira obugima bwaye muri kito Dominic Onderi na robot yorwe
Yamate mukuru w'ikinyoro kia bondonya ewodi ya sameta mukuru bunge ya base county ya Kisii yasabira obwene bw'umwana obo Asirieta Faith Mora Osoro yokagere goitwano mwanche Asirieta Steven Nyamareri na gotinde kwa nyaro yoborere bw'abo asenka yabe gotoka ime kinyoro kigetuki miyamachawe chache county ya Kisii asekagere bana nigo amoitete angemetienye 5 bona yarire
igaikataro 25 mutienyo osaba momurori agacha baka mwana isiko gaiga aganda imame sengenje tu Bible bane bachandanire na Faith inje ndete kogenda Kisumu bunandega okwanga Faith togenda nere Kisumu tumanye gocha koira na asechinga kichinde ji turanyora Bible bali bapoire lakini gochimambi yayo magwasiriano tayo simiteyo
maiga yobo tukigokorekana niga abanyanyimbo banyorete umubero yo maiga yo mukagero yuko murikira mwese ko mwabanya gosira oroboti asinchira kirero ya Facebook na komatebuna anyarete ko ba uko muita mwese ko mwabona satindekire
nganyore message Facebook umuntu textet umumuro ko Chris Nyamareri agantebinga ngagere time mwese ko mwabo Faith ene gotomere message yega otebya Bible ba ngatare nane umetenyo 10 na kweta gatinde kunyomba otebya Bible bago bachina basikali bachikurusi umubere
twati tukonyole information nga amwana na gaitire atindekire nyaro yegetanda message yerweta so mwana ne oyo kabere
wikaba kagenda bakase enkayo mugakuyo kertu igetororo mbate mete ko cheke nyumba lakini lende kuetera no bumanye serikali ebwate mbate mete ko ngontanse no muti babwata singencho kuyunga yogindirira asoke kurugira undi yakora karon sali mire nabo kuyunga gento kereke asaya na atawete karo bachita ko ngonta asaya kuringana mu muro ya tebete ngano amutindegete bakanyora aronga kene inchira nere asaya akorete yogiri ngai ko kinari mire abasikali bakorete merememia yokorema ekena abanyore tumubiro ikolense muna bayurusi tioro ichumeri ya erete igasobwen serikali njakorete gasiyiringia
abakageru begekoreke gati abamamu mwabo mukageru omonene nigo babege tubyara asebono mukageru omonene anywete sumukorende agakobo goikase nyagitari Ogembo asebono agasene kurwanirira obugima bwaye
mumuro inabwatire byara na achichaga kero abwenda aikirenka na anywete sumu akairu nyagitari no ari lakini rende muna chiribo chikona gocha obeire mbuyale nandi na bara bose gocha gwikukotini bwangu igasengencho tari muntu uri maututi otanyara kwera sikira korete igo umuntu bwate tuno mongina ekero mumuraja nabo akasa rende nero obwe oleime oganyeta irukoti asengencho kogambiwa
twanyora umwana uyo nonyo usalikire twamureta tukamweka semo cha liogembo litukoria mambia komoreta tune komwene bono ntu muno gusaba goito twari gusaba abantu bamoyo muya batubwatesie enkeye ninsere nonye ne chibe cha tumigete tokona gukabesa senginje korana kore tiene yani akora tu postmortem
bangiranirie kibande ne chianga chio moise kuri nje gotwaraga igarakine kibande bangenje kokonyera omwana kuna kugosaba kwana nongo saba na barai baratwara kuganio kuya sengenje omwana no make bagwanja wangonya bangonya gekora tingo nyara komurinda nje bono ngaroje ngana agotire
ekira bono mateyo mwana Faith achakira marigani yo kumurusia senke no komoreta gaiga senka abari tukori angere komokora masaba yo mweryo niga abantu bonsi bo gwancho kwe banyako sabanya ko bakonya mateiga nyako bagokonya omwana nyagosya nyako ba ugotika maiga kuripoteri getsen kiyo na bema gian soko TV kuro kenyoro kia bonda nyabosi abana kyo toka gaiga se ward ya Sameta Mokorero bungi ya base county ya Kisii retire ne Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
Kubwatikana no mubaro moke bwabasai gwesokia kwelikia na wakachikura bano nigo basemwa bwarure gocha asabasai abwe besokie asobonge bailike buna abaki chikura anake nigo batebire ekige kogera batali gwesokia gwakachikura natebwatio kwegena gocha sabarai bali bagochorwa asogo tabaigena nonyene kero basoire abisi abasai abo boigoni go basemiwe kuri ya chinchera chinde chingia choko enyorera ebitoki kiagera emerimo yo kulikone serikali nigo yabeire otuboke mulikito weekly forenge na mange
abasaya nigo barorekanire goteso kia sobonge ere kwelikia na gwakachikura ananegegema ase chinga kiechiga chabo chore bakabwa korekana nabo igo gesekembe kia IBC keigura emerobelio yoko balikia ba kichikura abaya.
We have realized that a number of our people do not have national identification cards, which is a very essential document. So we are beginning with that, and then we are hoping that once that is done, we are going to ensure that our people are registered in numbers so that they have the power to elect who their leaders will be in the next general election. But even before we mention about election, ID is very important. It's a very crucial document. There are things you cannot do when you do not have a national ID. There are transactions that one cannot make when you do not have a national identification card. So that is why we saw it is important for us to just come and talk to our people. We sensitize them and they know why they should be having national identification card.
Bako kuwa na Nensoko TV abasayabo nigo bate babuna nige serikali yensi ya Kenya etararo basemi obuya gochia asaba na ingoro yobuya bogwaka chikura.
Ekente serikali namboni takere gokora civic education. Ense itonere maega asoko oko vijana mafunzo. Vijana pia tigere maega nani ni ntu takere ko baminekero regiense.
Changamoto ni unapata ukosefu wa mtu kuambiwa ya kuwa kitambulisho inastahili kuchukuliwa. Na tuichukue kitambulisho juu ya kura, tunachukua kitambulisho ili kesho vijana wetu wa mama wetu wapate kupata usaidizi.
Ande nigo bate babuna tibabu atio kwege na gochia asabarai bali bagochorwa gochia chiabisi abwasa bagata babuna tibali ko babegenwa asobo koreri.
Ngenjo etumaini no patriotism eliyo yani yo kwerwa sengenjo yokorosia magendense ya ino egende ikiaborire abayibori bamenyete hai hoye bachandikire myaka menge bagire chikure myaka menge bali gokonyeka etogochora omonto tomochororo muya ogoikaga ari ase kwende parliament area ochenja osoba gosasima chibesa osoba gosasima ndabanya besa bono gakimutaye gochenja trend egusi elinda tochore biongozi abaya barakonyense bararete tumaini ase bichana byaito elinda bake kurei.
Abaseme bono nigo bwaruru gochia asabasaya bwo belikie buna bakichikura ekiagere kura nere nchira yoka yoko bachora baraya baya gochia ase chiabisi ao.
Thank as a people of Kabondo Kasipu, we are very happy because we have a big number of people have just come. You can have a look at the other side of the market. People are there including the Form 4 that have just done the exams. They are here to take their ID. And that is the urge that we need as a nation.
To spearhead this mobilization process to ensure that our people get registered as voters.
Boigo nigo basemigwe tibabasa gwancha gotumekwa na banasiasa erikokora chisegi nobosalia
asaba saeba minto bali bagotumekwa na banasiasa asa manufaa yogosali omorembe egento ndanje ko batebi tigato esoke to tujiandikishe kama wapiga kura wapya eri ndonyore mechando aba mura bange bali bakwa kuchibese eri nde basari mikutano abange babe bakuruchi family chitabu ati besa abaibori baba chandekete bakolera bago kugo se bakomia
nigo yatere ase abasaye bonse okorogo chora kwa bene na kwelikia buna bakichikura inkolipoteria Ensoko TV korwagaiga asobo gatagati bo muchobo songo e county ya Kisii eretariane Wycliffe Orenge
ya mate ya Rebecca Bosiboli korase kinyoro kia Murugai meya wodi ya Bosamara bunge ya West Mugrango nigo yesokiri na koboli ya Basamaria abo gwancha na barayi kubakonya kubagachire nyumba amo nabo igwe nyumba ya Kebara anyabarayi bakebesokire kubakonya nigo bokonyo bo botaraisana no muliketo Steven Nyariki Mbunde agotomanya
nase family ya Rebecca Bosiboli Samuel asensemo ya Muruga wodi ya Bosamaro bunge ya West Mugrango imeanyamira ikirato goiko nigo twariganiwa ne nyumba yiga ya mabati asekurende tabogete igoro ne bibao bikworokia goikakoreto borabu nyumba mbarbare necho iherose iri amagoma yento gekworokia obotakobonene bore asumo cyoyo iga
Rebecca Bosiboli mugaka kuruku Samuel Nyabuti na ira ne irimbi ya mono asengenje y'umusiko yagi ekiagera nginyo ira asenke yiga tinkwe bakumwira ne irimbi ya mono asengenje aruro bakonya egomenya te nyombe njande te ruete gutwa hano na ira ne irimbi ya mono asengenje nginyo ire nyombe ndwerete hano namenyire ninga kintambe ntabwati nyane ginkuri ndumurwaire aira ne irimbi ya mono asengenje muraya nginyoire na muraya onde wensi oraruye nkonya
omugaka igarwarete omongina igarwarete tari korora biya obeire gagusumbuka matuka mange
kubwatekana na yoni ya mateiga konyora yeso kirie kugania bokonyi ase Mosamaria onde bwensi kubasira irio konyore nyumba nendagira kwegendereria
na muraya onde bwensi okobori chikura ntota getoba konyi bwao na inu mubekerero koboko Samuel igaiga egere mongino yo no mugaka ya bakore kibakonywe ekiagere nyombe ego tugetanda nkeiyo moito toiyo enyomba korugore korora buna bono mugaso omongina amenyete nyombe ere 66 round yo bonyanzi tari korora maiso bono na bemechandera none echorogora ate intubono buna bali torenka nande buna inje mono na chete nkarora mayanda ngatebi ngakwana no mwesimigo yagi amaene nebirero
wetera omweshimiwa Dekrak Oyagi miganyare ko baga kwirania kuboko ase yamate maega yo kubaretera amabere amabati nabo igo chibando erio kwegendereri munenjere ya moyo gochaka umochango bugochangire familia yebene
ino mwesimigo Oyagi buna twakwanete nere igotoroje nga ebuna chakire foundation igondoje nabara chigotokonye ekiagera ndoje ngakientangani igotua jeta toka muretera esukari omochere esabuni amabere box engaki nechibando ntwa mugorera juice ntwa mugorera yako nakoria nande bakatwa ikeire ngaki ya rero nande ndoche chibando mwesimigo ateba mwesimigo Oyagi chachira emetoriro isirini twaretira amabere amongino arosie jana konywa egento kende buna bono mwesimigo natagete atokonye amang'ana enyomba oraretire mabati abera ninjana areta egere abarayi bande barorero bakonya omochioyo
igo none bono efamilia yuetaranyora bokonyi boikiranu
bwesi oratake gokonya turwe paybill eye egere mubeke ebesa orore korete rieta Rebecca Nyabuti Rebecca Bosiboli Nyabuti egere toche tonyora bokonyi korwa ase morabagambi egere motokonye enyomba yagachwe echo yagachwe omong'ino yagorerwe getanda agorerwe moito pamoja no mugaka nere ngagerete mwarigereri nyomba mwasoa getanda nkeiyo asita yeso bwenge bakorara mugambi onde bwesi oratake gokonya epaybill nereje
Mbare ne kenyoro ekyo ase nsemo yetundubari ya kenyoro ase ward yeyo nigo boigo abaremi bekemerie chae bari ne kibago chengera
bono igo tori no mogoka ase eng'encho bune tundubari yaito ya kenyoro twabira sama tukamange tundubari yaito tabwati erangi ere igo yani koruya gagitwe plaster bono tori no mogoka ase eng'encho yomorayi yaito bwesokire okorukudikira kiuyagi
twabwatire natekira gocha ngeti niko bori kura chinde lakini wetera ase eng'encho yobuya bwa omwana oria nobosemia bwato obuya nabona amotebi nga 2027 naonde gega ngotane chibuti botuko
Steven Nyerikie Mbonde Soko TV ewodi ya Bosamaro.
Abaraibe kiama ya Jubilee korwa Bonchari nigo baburia bamenye bebunge yo gwesokya na kwelikia ase kiame kyo naboigo koba basubati libaga bali bakulia ebirugo okwana imeye yabe wodi Ariana Loisondali oyore omo deputy patron be kiame kyo imeye bunge ya Bonchari nigo akirembye mono guchasa bamenye be county ya Nyamira asoko bachora abarai bali asumrengo o Dr. Freddy Matiang'e.
Matiang'e for president. Harambee! Jubilee mbele pamoja. Mbele pamoja. Matiang'e for president.
Tunaendelea kuwarai wanaume ambao ni viongozi ambao tuko pamoja nao. Tafadhali kama mmesikia popote mlipo, achana na wamama ambao wamejitokeza kutafuta viti mbalimbali vya uongozi katika county, either nationally, katika ward zetu na popote penye wamama wanatafuta viti wawe viongozi. Tafadhali tuunge mkono badala ya kutupiga vita. Napenda kupongeza Nyamira County kwa kazi ambayo walifanya mzuri sana. Kwa kazi ambayo walifanya wakaezesha mheshimiwa wetu daktari mtarajiwa rais wetu wa Kenya mwaka wa 2027 Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i awe ameonyesha Kenya kwamba ametosha.
Hii ndio timu ambayo imetambuliwa na Jubilee Party kupitia kwa General Secretary wetu Mheshimiwa Jeremiah Kioni. Tunawakaribisha wajoin hii timu tufanye kazi pamoja kama viongozi kutoka hii sub county ya Bonchari.
Kama wana Jubilee wa ward sote ine za Bonchari sub county kwa ajili ya kudunisha ya kwamba tuunge mkono mmoja wetu ambaye ni Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Fred Okengo Matiang'i sio tu mwakilishi kutoka Kisii, ni wa Kenya mzima. Na wale ambao hawako hapa siku ya leo wapate nafasi ya kujiasiri ili kila mmoja apate kura yake. Ikifika mwaka wa 27 kura yetu itakuwa ni kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Kubwatikana n'igitambukiro g'ikiama gya ODM kubaye gisusuro ababunge bali bachori n'ikiama ekyo ase okogenda mamincha nokuba okoboko aba MCA bachori twasobochori oboke bwi county ya Nyamira nigegati abantu barokire ogotago kigwa kwabo n'ekiama ekyo okwana nigo bamucha oboraibwa ODM maiga yogosira kwa Raila Odinga asibabulia abarai bali abachore gwetera ekiama ekyo koegwa maskani
naende twegwete nga echame yeito ya ODM twabere togotena nero twabere togokunero nga neta togokuna abana baito korugusia abarai twachorete tochakere bono muno omochumbo kurukwa na nere engoko tigatibwe na masikani aye toche naende omochumbo oborabu nere tigasikwe nonye ka ODM tigasikwe tocho omusene toito senior commissioner Okongo Mugeni noye ka ODM nera asikwe nonye ka nabwato omusimamo oye era no muntu osomete lichiko understand tuyomanyete no omusene toito nyonka nera tigasikwe ne chama ya ODM njire mutaite kobo yo muna mobasiali kurwororo nduntori wechigo wanja nanda abana abaito batene inoro tenena matiangi usia ige tone na matiangi na ino abachumba abaito na baseneta abaito baro ODM igo tole mega ya ino nande twandete ko supportia na kibagendi naye tata tenena makongu tuo mamo na abwazore tuo mamono igo tole naye no mugusi igo mono moko gozwa igo tole na inwe nande toko enda maandamano ataere ngenki yako era ODM yachakire uchanda abantu nande ko bachanda kubasumbua nturakora korera ogukwara ira buna twabere to support Raila buno mugusie miaka yonsi twabere tugotenana Raila bona aba muri abamu abatigere tekerugo okorukunga nero Oburu Odinga inki yako arachakire uchanda abachumba ababande kyaro ODM etenete demokrasi ye teri ODM twale kuboriga ntubuna abagusi bari twabere to support ODM twaje support ya matuka mangi anya mwachakire okora uchanda abachumba baito twajote gotero ODM jalingo chikorutororo ande twaruro na mana mano toja chizuguri kiri mwaye gotaba tobogorie ndune chikaya tokobogoria ODM aya magoto korera na mabe kuno chikosiria demokrasi babo nyona bagaka baba nyona barwanirete tokanyoro busiborega naye umugabana Simbarati tokweta maskani yao kigamba ngana yoko na kumusa kujimaega igoro ya mangana ODM ngomonto olio cheta asimatian akoleki ngaro enga bachikotekere weste
no Raila osirire na arorengo omokubwa bwa ODM ekera asirire one chame abantu bali baro bagendete konyisira kwikireke gwangeke one karoko wasali gochanga gokoruoro go support Matiang'i buno mugusi buna bachumbe bande bechikabira mbali go support Matiang'i ngeko besida ngokorusi gororo ese chameye wakusiko ente kinto wanja buna abagusi na buna abakenya kintu bune kinto
Omoroberio bokwarigania omoswada bokorigeria emechando yebisako ebike naboigo biri bitari konyora obokoreri borengaine nebisako binde nigokorekana gwetera ogosanga nababwatani boiga bobisa kurasensemo yeserikali ekirenga ky'omoswada yo no korigeria emechando yebisako ebyo naboigo korigia chinjera cyokurenda oboronge bwabo korengana ne katiba y'omwaka bwekiri bubere na 10 Mulikeito Linet Nyambane Norobotiro.
And we are the ambassadors of the quiet voices who have never seen this kind of lights. They have never walked on carpets. They have never been on TV.
Omoyega oyo bokorwa ebirengererio okorekana ase amagacho a KICC imeomocho Nairobi nigo abarai korwa ase ebisakwebyo bakwanera obuya bw'omuswado oyo ase batebire nigo ogochia kwenekia abantu abo bebisako ebyo byombirie obwene bwabo ngwikera nabore.
And why we are minority? One, numbers. Anything small, especially population, becomes a problem in a country where we derive politics from tyranny of numbers. So when we are fewer, we are not even able to get an MCA at the county level. In most of the counties where we are, the governor, the women rep, the member of parliament is from the majority community.
This policy is both a recognition of their rightful place in our society and a reaffirmation of the values enshrined in our constitution, values of human dignity, equality, inclusivity, social justice, and protection of cultural diversity.
Nigo abarai bairari bagerio na gukwanera oburai bw'omurai bwense William Ruto ase batebire nigo abeirega kurigereria abantu kurwa ase ebisakwebike korenganigwa na abarai abakoro.
Some of you might be tempted to think that as government officers we speak about the president because he's our appointing authority. Partly true. But I'll also tell you some other truths. When President William Ruto was deputy president, he started this gospel of inclusivity. And inclusivity was inclusivity of regions, of tribes, of economic sectors. That mining is important, but so is wildlife, the resources that most of you have. That transport is very important, and therefore roads cannot just be roads that are in central places where population is high. Let us do more roads. But more importantly, this division called the Minorities and Marginalized Communities Affairs Division was started when President William Ruto was the deputy president. Said 18th of December is the UN International Day for Minorities. Let us start celebrating these people. It might not amount to much, but let them know that they can travel to Nairobi, that there is a day for them. Let them share their frustrations, their sadness, their happiness, their culture.
Nonya nabo ababwatani abu nigo batebire buna nonya omuswado uyu oirire egeka egetambe guikirana nigo orache kubakonya.
The government of His Excellency President William Ruto to see how best Article 56, Article 100 of the Constitution and Article 174 could be brought to life. When the country was celebrating 15 years of the Constitution, we have nothing to celebrate because those particular articles have been ignored for the last 15 years.
And now your territories have become the most important spaces for development. And one of the things that this policy then is trying to achieve is the nexus between development and human welfare, so that we do not have energy activities like in Loyangalani wind power project or Olkaria energy project that displaces minority and marginalized communities, marginalizing them further.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Serikali ya Kenya nigegendete kubika emirobiri emekirano kweneke mnango tingere obolindi. Aya maiga yebikoro by'obusalia kwenekigwa asense ya Kenya amakia yaiga. Litkolia lero nigo muraiwense Dr. William Ruto abaga koegwa oroboti rwa jukwaa la usalama murobelio bete kogocha kigwa abene amatuko amaigaiga. Okwana nigaeneke mne serikali nigegendete kubwatirana n'abagambi n'abaiga bakonyi babo irinde kolenta abananchi angene serikali nagotumanya omurikito Julia Obuba.
Maiga yogo chakigwa kumurobero jukwaa la usalama nigo ritkorera romoraiwense William Ruto abwatokerwa roboti. Okwana niga roboroso nebirenga byomoroberio yobunenchero yo kumanyeme chande yoborendi ase chingongo au na korenta abananchi amone serikali.
Nilieleza waziri Murkomen kwamba yeye na team yake PSS pamoja na team yake yote waende mashinani watengeneze jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia mambo ya usalama. Kawaida jukwaa ama majukwaa ni ya siasa. Kawaida. Si ndivyo? Hivyo ndivyo tumezoea. Lakini tukasema tunataka kutengeneza jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia jambo la muhimu la usalama katika taifa letu. Mimi nawashukuru nyinyi katika mashinani sehemu zote za taifa letu la Kenya mulijitokeza na mkasema wazi wazi, wananchi wao wakasema wazi wazi ya kwamba haya ndio mambo tunataka yatatuliwe, ndio tuweze kuwa na usalama, ndio tuweze kama taifa tuendeshe mambo ambayo yanatuhusu ya maendeleo, ya masomo, ya kilimo na sehemu zile zingine zote ambazo tunataka kushughulika nayo. Hayawezi kwenda mbele kama hatuna usalama wa kutosha.
Asensemo yae omokonyi bomoraiwense Kithure Kindiki nigamente kwana ya Ruto chinguru na goteba buna onyoborendi bwense tibokobo emerobero nebirenga bya serikali tibigo ikerana.
We are looking at security being a key enabler to the vision that you carry for our country. as you continue to envision a better Kenya and what we need to do to build a better, more prosperous country, transform the economy, modernize our country from the third world into the first world like others have done. As you continue to help us refine the vision of the country, security is going to be a key enabler of that vision.
Waziri w'oburendi bw'eme Kipchumba Murkomen nigaira chinga kigo kwaniro bya bwebikaro bya jukwaa la usalama. Aya niga chirima ga yebikoro byo kubora kw'oburendi koene kigwa chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya.
Your Excellency, during this forum we had over 60,000 people attending, which included the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the village elders, representatives of community, civil society. It included also the OCSs, the police officers. And this engagement was very open and robust. In fact, by the time we did 3 counties, many people in the security sector called me and said, why are you having an open discussion on security issues with people like this? You are embarrassing the government. People are talking about offices they don't have. They're talking about fuel they don't have. They're talking about these other issues that they don't have. Why are you making this open? And we said, Your Excellency, this is the state of our nation, where if we must solve a problem, it must start by listening to those who are facing those problems on the ground.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.
Asintu ndende niga bamereria be serikali babere bagwesoke bene nabo igo komochia serikali kubwatikana nobokoreri wabo korengana na berobyo nigo bagikeire bororo obochori oboke bwaita nene kurwa ase ensemo yebungeria ya Mbeere North kaukwana muraibu kiamagia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo alireira yogokora gose yokorosia ekiama egetingugia gesiasa ekibara be bakwirubilia bosi bobochori obonene obuli mutwe
abarai ao anene kurwa abalianse semo yo kunyameria serikali United Opposition nigo bekana asomo gabo mwero kegima bwoko mweni omugaka Joseph Konzoro Munyao oywe okabeire omurikyo monene bwo oyo kabeire omurai bwense imirio mwa Kibaki asomo yegokorekana ime yekerisia ke Nairobi Baptist Church aigeme muchi o Nairobi yagati yabara yabo namo na Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua uyo kabeire omokonyi bwo murai bwense ya Kenya omurai bwe kiamakiria gya DP Justin Muturi murai bwe kiamakiria kiwepa Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Martha Karua amaono murai ODP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa Wakwana ekero ky'omunyegoywe Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua nigamotona Joseph Munyao unomosani bw'abantu nabayigomora yo Rwanda tobosibere bw'abantu imayense ya Kenya achinga kichiaye ekare gokora imeremo no yokabeire omorai bwense mwa Kibaki.
His contribution to the growth of the Democratic Party as a strong political party reminds all of us the need to develop strong political parties for democracy in this country. I really admire consistency and true friendship, because Joseph Munyao was a true friend of Mzee Mwai Kibaki, the greatest president Kenya has ever had.
Ase ensemo ya Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigamotoma Joseph Kalonzo obuno murayo watu bonyamasi bone konsesemo yorongorwa bokamba anene asensemerie gesiasa nonyeni ko Kalonzo nigarekanya konyamochi ya serikali asaene kebuna ekiama keria gya DP ekiyekura one Justin Muturi nkiabwe tukura chiri cha Mbeere North asabo chorobo kebwa korekana korende asaene kyanga oyore koligia oburaibwe kiama ekegwetera ase kiama keria gya DP Newton Kariuki uyo manyekene ebuna Karise nero bweto mu bikorende akoru bwibuaye senchera yobotutukanu.
We are here to honor a very distinguished, honorable Kenyan leader. Mzee Munyao was one of our finest, even as a community of Makueni and Ukambani. I want to, in my own view, say DP did not lose in Mbeere North, so that Consolo will rest in peace. It was something else.
Ekero engakia yego kwana yaika omosubati Imatha Karua nigaene kebuna ense ya Kenya nigoere asa kongomono na kuboria abakenya kuba maiso anene chinga kiechi torochi obochorio bonne bo mwaka w'ekibero 2025
Our country is at crossroads, and it is up to us, all of us, the clergy and lay people, politicians, everybody included, to weigh where we may have gone wrong and where we need to correct. The truth shall always be the truth. However much we cover lies or falsehoods, they will never graduate to become the truth. We need to change the way we do things. And yes, Bere and Malaba and all this by-election, something was terribly wrong. But as citizens, we must ask ourselves, even though we are oppressed, are the gifts worth it? Because they confuse and give room for meddling. We are coming to a general election in about 1.5 years. If we do not retrace our steps, we stand to lose our nation.
Eugene Wamarwa omuraigwe kiama kiria giadi AP Kenya nonyenere nigamotona Joseph Kolonzo Munyao buno monto bobongaini obonene mono ase arekana korute kiara agi okomochia serikali guchia sabara bari babwate ndoto oyokonyonchara Kenya na kababunense ya Singapore asaene kebuna abara yaboni gobagane tio bongaini obo igoro mono elio wikirani amarorabo.
Those who are talking about Kenya becoming a Singapore, it will take integrity in our leadership. It will take the kind of leadership that we have seen in Mzee to change this country.
Ninkolipoteria hegeteseni Egean Soko TV. Nchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.
Manche murigeria kurasoro botirwaye Daniel Omwaga ni gotoikiro mweri obo kumurikira amangana maya yiritukoria rero tomera neritukoria angyo astrabe to gusanga mangiria nekerubo Frida na balto bwatira na soko eneke buna chibicha neriogira gukira sole asenchira yabenene Brian Achaka bakubwatana Toldi Felistas Kabendi na Boigo Barnabas ondari twara oburigeria worobia.